In this video, I will show you how to add billing or payment method to your Upwork account without any stress. Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, let me show you how. For everyone using Android phone, just go to your Google Play Store and then on getting to Play Store, click on search, go ahead and click on search app and look for Upwork. Click on search, and the next thing you want to do is to click on this one right here. Make sure you download and install this app. After the successful download and install Upwork app, go ahead and click on open. And it's going to open up like so. Make sure you log in. After the successful login to your account, next thing you want to do right here to simply click on your profile icon from the top. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to settings right here. Click on settings. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on billing and payments. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on add billing method. So at this point right here, go ahead and click on here. Then here you go. All you have to do is to fill up your card detail right here, your billing address and everything. Once you are able to fill up all the details, come down below right here and then hit on save and you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Upwork settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.